What if I told you that mastering the art of silence could be your greatest strength in 7 critical situations? In a world where words often lead to conflict and misunderstanding, imagine the power of staying silent, grounded in the wisdom of Stoicism. Join me in this video as we unravel the 7 scenarios where silence speaks volumes, offering you a pathway to inner peace and resilience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to harness the power of silence in mastering life's challenges. We will embark on a transformative exploration of 7 critical situations where silence isn't merely a choice but a testament to the enduring strength of Stoicism. So, settle in, open your mind, and let us delve into the timeless teachings that promise to illuminate your path to resilience and inner peace. Situation number 1. Amidst conflict. Picture yourself in the midst of a heated argument or disagreement. In such moments, the Stoic sage remains composed, understanding that silence can be a potent tool for diffusing tension and promoting understanding. By choosing silence over confrontation, we preserve our inner peace and pave the way for constructive dialogue and resolution. Now let us turn our attention to situation number 2, during gossip and rumors. In a world inundated with speculation and hearsay, silence becomes our armor. Stoicism teaches us to refrain from engaging in idle chatter, recognizing that our integrity is not defined by the words of others, but by our actions. By choosing silence in the face of gossip, we uphold our principles and protect our reputation. Moving on to situation number 3, in the face of criticism. When confronted with harsh words or judgment, the Stoic remains unperturbed, understanding that silence can be a shield against negativity. Instead of reacting defensively, we choose to listen with an open mind, discerning the kernel of truth amidst the noise. By embracing silence, we demonstrate humility and resilience in the face of adversity. Next, consider situation number 4, when others seek validation. In our interconnected world, we often feel pressure to constantly express our opinions and seek approval from others. Yet Stoicism teaches us the power of inner validation. By choosing silence over seeking external validation, we cultivate self-reliance and inner confidence, recognizing that our worth is not determined by others' opinions. Now let us confront situation number 5, amidst loss and grief. In moments of profound sadness and despair, words can feel inadequate. Stoicism invites us to embrace the silence of mourning, allowing ourselves to sit with our emotions without the need for explanation or consolation. By honoring our grief with silent reverence, we honor the depth of our humanity and find solace in the quietude of our hearts. As we continue our journey, let us immerse ourselves in situation number 6, in the presence of nature. Amidst the beauty and majesty of the natural world, words often fall short. Stoicism encourages us to embrace the silence of nature, allowing its serene splendor to speak to the depths of our souls. By communing with nature in silence, we find renewal and connection with the larger cosmos. And finally, situation number 7, in moments of gratitude. Sometimes the most profound experiences are best expressed in silence. Stoicism teaches us to savor the blessings of life with silent reverence, allowing gratitude to fill our hearts without the need for words. By embracing the silence of gratitude, we cultivate a profound appreciation for the beauty and abundance that surrounds us. As our journey draws to a close, may you carry the timeless teachings of Stoicism with you on your path forward. Remember, silence isn't just the absence of noise, it's the presence of peace, strength, and wisdom. So the next time you find yourself in one of these 7 situations, remember the power of silence and let it guide you towards a life of Stoic resilience. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Remember to subscribe to Stoic Sculptor for more insights and inspiration on crafting a resilient mindset. Until next time, stay stoic, stay strong.